Hello. On this training video, we will show a guided tour on how to perform iPerf throughput tests to validate internet access performance using VeEX PX90, the PON service installation meter. The iPerf test is part of the RFC 6349 methodology used to measure end-to-end TCP throughput in managed IP networks. The main goal of RFC 6349 is to provide a better indication of users' experience by verifying TCP layer performance. Turn on the test set. First, if you share the test set with other field technicians, let's make sure it is using your personal profile. Tap on the Owner button and make sure the correct profile information is loaded. Then, go back to the main menu. At the bottom of the screen, you can see that the PX90 can perform PON optical power measurements, as well as internet access speed tests using either the RJ45 Ethernet test port or Wi-Fi 6E. The iPerf test procedure is the same for both. Let's select the Ethernet 1000 base T port for this demonstration. Use a Cat5e or Cat6 UDP patch cord to connect the test set to the network under test. Then wait until the soft LEDs turn green and a valid local IP address is displayed. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the Test Applications menu and tap on the iPerf button to select it as the test mode. Tap on the black iPerf speedometer icon on the top right or swipe up and select Config to configure the test. On the Test Mode field, select iPerf 3. It is recommended to store commonly used configurations as test profiles, labeled with descriptive names, identifying the different iPerf servers, or RTU300+ remote test heads, on your network, that are available to you for internet access testing purposes. Let's expand the Details section to see the target iPerf server configuration. For this demo, we will be using the PX90 as an iPerf client to connect to the iPerf server at 10.0.1.196 using port 5201 to test the upload and download performances using TCP protocol. For this short demo, each direction is set to be tested for only 20 seconds. You can change the protocol to UDP and follow the same procedure. Although you may find some public iPerf servers on the internet, they should be avoided. Because they are CPU-based, they tend to be limited in bandwidth, handle a single test session, or their location and availability may be unknown. We recommend the use of trusted hardware-based iPerf test heads, like VeEX RTU300+, that can guarantee reliable test traffic generation and handle multiple concurrent sessions to serve large crews of field technicians without affecting its performance. Let's go back to the main speed test page. Tap on the Go button to start the test. First, the download or downstream throughput gets tested. The maximum value is displayed below the speedometer, along with the histogram, to highlight any significant variations over time. iPerf measures network performance by creating TCP or UDP streams, sending test traffic, and reporting the maximum achieved bandwidth. It is commonly used by network engineers to verify TCP throughput performance. The throughput in the upload or upstream direction is also tested. Its maximum value and histogram are also displayed below the speedometer. On this demo, each direction is set to be tested for 20 seconds. Users can adjust it based on their requirements. Once finished, the test set display is done. Swipe to the left to show the test results details. Swipe up from the bottom and tap on Save to store the current test results. Users can add extra information to the records, like job ID, node ID, and account, customer or location. This should match the job order. In this example, we will enable the no app QR code generation, so you can also get a copy of the test results by scanning it with a smartphone. You may pause this video here to try it. Let's go back to the main speed test page and check the stored test report. Swipe down from the top to open the main menu and select Files. The item on the top is the last test result. Swipe to the left over the desired line item to reveal the small menu and tap on the pen and paper edit icon to rename it. Give it a meaningful name. This will help identifying each test record later on. Tap on the iPerf demo file to open it. Scroll up and down to explore all the reports fields. Use the back arrow on the top left to go back to the files list. You can use the no app QR code and NFC to transfer test results to a smartphone or tablet. Then, add extra information, geolocation, comments, picture, generate PDF reports, share and upload. We hope you found this quick how-to guide video helpful. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or need more information. Thank you for your attention and interest in VeEX test and measurement solutions. Please consider subscribing to our LinkedIn and YouTube channels to get notified about new features, quick guide videos, technology, and training contents.